Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Holy places only magnify the worship done there and are not as valuable as the devotee. Ultimately, it is only one that receives worship. Others are not independent. Ultimately, and functionaries worship through duality. Bhagavatam stems from astrological ages ago, 2 astrological ages ago. So it would have been the age of Aries. Certain paths of the spiritual and heavenly spheres is traveled in certain ways and orders. Astronomical order differs from the cycles of the spiritual beings, which have exchanges by hour or season. Visible forms teach us about the invisible. Different beings have their own places. Foreigners need distinguished in society. The afterworlds are without diminution or ill effects, except for the whole, once you've paid the punishment, it comes to an end, right? "96 are the categories of the obtainable mystic powers. Demons can adorn themselves in wonders and positivity too. Material opulence is inferior to minor spiritual liberation. Despite difficulties, some still play. Hell's different according to offenses. They differ according to circumstance, such as need, force, want, etc. Punishments are inescapable on the ultimate level, right? Results of non-devotional activities are limited. The remembrance of commission and omission is constant in that state. Start, atonement, repentance, redirection, or whatever you call it in life. On the spiritual platform, we can remove the roots of sin and build up those who are in devotion. The point of law enforcement should not be arrests and incarceration. The candidates for a reward are by devotion and acts, but punishment is just by the modes of acts. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yellow, blue, red. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.